Welcome back, Mongo Fix. Well, that's just the inside of a big aluminum tube. Yeah, pretty nice, about, maybe 1/8 around or something. Today, gonna make a doorbell. Don't want normal doorbell, like on most houses, you know, where you push button, it makes goofy noise. Mongo gonna make an old school doorbell all by itself, using this here big aluminum tube. So this here big tube, it is 3.5 inches over 3 foot. That's pretty good size. Yeah, 8-inch inside diameter. Big old brake drum from probably an old dump truck or something, think. And we get a bunch of these, what are these, 3/4 inch, about 3/4 inch solid steel rods. Get the torch set out, because, you know, we're going to have to heat some steel and some stuff, make some bends. So we'll have to get some steel nice and hot and toasty. nice and sturdy, and real nice ring to her. Well, if you like this video, be sure to like this video. If you like this video and other videos from Mongo Fix, be sure to subscribe. Be sure ring that bell. Mongo always working on all sorts of goofy junk. You know, like building kind of artistic, weird looking, non-traditional bells. Mongo, thank you.